Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bintang Syauki Ramadhani, and this is my first English project in this semester. Weather News Anchor Prompter. Good evening, and thank you for joining us. Let's take a look at the latest weather condition in Jakarta and surrounding areas, along with the forecast for the days ahead. Starting with today's weather. Jakarta experienced mostly cloudy to overcast skies through the day. Morning conditions were generally stable, allowing residents to carry out their daily activities. However, as the day progressed into the afternoon and evening, several parts of the city saw light to moderate rainfall. Today's temperature ranged between 26 and 32 degrees Celsius, combined with high humidity levels. The weather felt warm and quite uncomfortable at times, particularly during the winds. Midday winds were generally light to moderate, blowing from the west to northwest. Moving to tonight forecast, skies across Jakarta are expected to remain mostly cloudy, with a change of localized rain, especially in South and East Jakarta. Overnight temperatures will slightly decrease, reaching around 25 to 26 degrees Celsius. Motorists are advised to remain cautious, as wet road conditions may reduce visibility and increase of risk of accidents. Now, let's take a look ahead to tomorrow's weather. During the morning hours, Jakarta is expected to see partly cloudy conditions, which should still support outdoor activities. By midday, temperatures will rise again, with high of approximately 31 degrees Celsius. However, in the late afternoon and evening, there is a moderate to high change of rain, with possibility thunderstorm accompanied by brief heavy rain and gusty winds. These conditions are more likely to occur in South Jakarta, East Jakarta, and areas bordering Bogor and Depok. Residents are encouraged to carry umbrellas and plan their travel ahead of time, especially during peak traffic hours. Looking at the extended forecast over the over next 3 days or 5 days, Jakarta weather is expected to remain unsettled. Mornings are likely to be dry or partly cloudy, while rain showers are expected in the afternoons and evening. Daytime temperatures will remain warm, averaging between 26 and 33 degrees Celsius. All through, there are no current warning for extreme weather. Residents in flood-prone areas are advised to stay alert, as repeat rainfall may lead to localized flooding or water accumulation. Before we wrap up, here's quick weather advisory. The first one is driving carefully during the rainy condition. Second, ensure drainage around homes remain clear. For the third, stay updated with official weather information. To summarize Jakarta weather, first, warm and humid condition. Second, rain likely in the late afternoon and evening. Third, similar weather patterns expect over the few next days. That's the latest weather update for Jakarta. We will continue to monitor condition and bring you timely and accurate information. Stay safe, take care, and have a pleasant evening. Thank you uh, for watching my first English project. I think that's enough. Sorry if I have any shortcomings. Yeah, that's it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.